Welcome to your virtual Zotero tutorial. Zotero is a citation management tool that will help you collect information, organize that information, and then cite that information in your papers and projects. You can find it at zotero.org, and I'll show you how to install and use Zotero for your research. It's a free-to-use tool, so when you download it, there's no charge. When you click on the download button, you're going to find that there are 2 steps for downloading and installing this program. The first thing you want to do is to install the program itself. Mine says Zotero 6.0 for Windows because I'm on a PC right now. There are other platforms that can download and install into as well, including Macs. That's the first step. Once downloaded, click on the Zotero icon on your desktop. When it's opened, it will look like this. Right now it looks like 3 empty panels, but we're going to fill it up soon with resources. The next step that you want to do is install the Zotero connector. My button says install Chrome connector because I'm using a Chrome internet browser, but there are connectors for other browsers including Firefox, Safari, and Edge. So when you install the connector, what happens is that an icon will appear in your browser window. So the Chrome connector is right up here in the top right-hand corner. It's a little kind of gray paper icon. Different browsers have different places they put this connector, so just look around and see where it installs, but this is what it usually looks like. Once you have these 2 steps done, you have the program installed and you have the connector installed for your browser, then we can get started with downloading items into your Zotero library.